Jen. I am a CSUB service learner with Monterey County Free Libraries, and today I'll be showing you how to make a snowflake. It's something I loved to make when I was a little kid, and I am so happy to share with you how to make it today. I've made two already to show you. The first one looks like this. The best part about these snowflakes is it doesn't have to be perfect. That's the most important. Freedom of expression. Our second snowflake is pink. Again, snowflakes are usually either, what we remember is they are white or blue. So that's not important in today's craft video. So I'm very excited. Let's go on with materials. Okay, so for materials, you will need scissors. You will need some, this is optional. If you want to color your snowflake, you can leave it white. It's up to you. Again, freedom of expression. So you can use color, that's optional. The color once you're done. And you're just gonna need a piece of paper. So when you have those materials, come on and join me. All right, you have all your materials. Let's get started. Step one, do the folds. So first fold in half, second fold, turn that paper over, do the second fold, perfect. All right, step two, we're gonna draw an outline. You don't have to, but this makes it easier. And we're gonna do it at the corners. So here, make sure those are facing outwards. This should be facing you. This is where you'll be drawing the outline, which is optional. Just makes it easier to follow when you are cutting, which is step three. So for step three, cut that out. Okay, so now let's move on to step four. So step four, we're gonna do two folds. So one fold, which is enough. We're gonna do one fold, just kidding. Okay, so now here is the fun part. We're gonna do some cutting. And now this is where you can have the most fun because you can do your own shapes, whichever ones you want, or you can follow what I'm doing. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this corner. Now I wanna cut a triangle right here. Right, and then on the other side, I want circle, kind of, or oval, something like that, something round. All right, and then I want, so here, I'm gonna want some squares. Let's cut that out. This part's a little hard to do on camera. All right, I want some more squares. One more on the outsides. Go, and our last step is to fan it out. Let's open this up. Let's see what we created. It's a little stuck. Give me a second. Beautiful. So this is what we have. Of course, if you followed your own shapes, went that route, your snowflake will look a little different than mine, but that is okay because the whole point is to have fun. And so from here, you're done. But if you want to, you can go ahead and color it like I did for my other ones. You can color it however you want. You don't have to do one color or the other. It is up to you. And here is our finished product, and now we can show our friends and family. So I hope you guys had so much fun today, and I hope you guys have a great day.